Hey, it's Christian at 4 Wheel and Off-Road again. I am still trying to get my 71 CJ-6 to run. Got one of my favorite vehicular upgrades, a Performance Distributors DUI, and I went to install it and it wouldn't fit. And I've used probably 10 of these distributors in my career and I've never had one problem with any of them. So scratched my head and tried to figure out why won't this shaft fit in that hole, and it turns out the numbskull who owned this thing before me painted the inside of the timing chain cover, and so now I have a brake hone on a drill and I am trying to get the paint off. Probably sending big chunks into the oil pan, but hey, whatever. I don't think that'll hurt it if the rat turds on the intake don't. So, bringing you only the finest and clapped out piles of junk.